In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a send account in Ultima markets and also how to make use of the account when you connect it to your MT5. So log into your Ultima account. When you are logged into your account, at the upper left hand corner, you will see a drop down menu. Click on it. So this will take you to the account management page, where you will see the option to create a new live account. So click on new live account. You are going to select the platform that you want to use for trading this particular account, whether you want to trade it directly from the Ultima app. If you want to see how to trade on the Ultima app, I have made a video about that. It will appear at the top right hand corner. Or you can also choose to trade from MT5, or you can also choose to trade from MT4. So this platform 4 is for MT4, platform 5 is for MT5. Okay, so I am going with the MT5. I prefer that. Now you are going to select your type of account. You click this type of account, select whether you want a standard account or you want a raw account. A raw account does not have spread, but it has commissions. And then a standard account, the spread is much more than that of the raw spread. For a standard account, there is spread, but there is no commission. So you are going to choose whether you want the one with raw, that means very thin spread, or no spread at all. Even for the send account, there is the standard and there is the raw. So you are going to choose. Let us go with the raw send account here. So I will select that one. You see the currency has been changed automatically to USC, which is US cents. So when you have done that, accept their terms and conditions and agreement by ticking this box, and then just click on submit. So our account has been created. Click on OK. It will take you back to the account management page, where you are going to see your account here. So when we click, we can easily see the one with USC. This is our account, and any information regarding your newly created account, such as the information needed to connect it to MT5, it will be sent to your email. I have just received mine now. I will show you how the email looks. So here is the email. In the email, you have your account number, which is the MT5 login. Then you have your MT5 password given to you, and then you have MT5 server name given to you here. Here we are seeing is Ultima Markets Live 1. So these are the credentials that we need to connect to MT5. So I am going to copy, and then we will go over to MT5. Let me copy the login number. So click and log into your MT5. So when you are in your MT5, at the top left hand corner where these three bars are, click on it, and then you will click on manage accounts. So in the account, you are going to click the plus sign at the top right hand corner, or if this is your first time of connecting to MT5, you may see the plus sign in the middle. Wherever you see it, just simply click on it. Then you are going to search for your broker, Ultima. So here we are. We now have our broker, Ultima Markets. We are going to click. This is the one with this blue name, Ultima Markets. So we are going with that one. The one given to us is not Ultima Markets UK, it's Ultima Markets. So click on it. Then you see our server name is already Ultima Markets Live 1. However, if it's not what is shown for you, you can click this drop down and select the one given to you. So this one is the Ultima Markets Live 1. So I will now paste the login number that I copied. I will paste it. Then we will go back again. I will copy the password and paste it here. So I will copy and paste the password, then click on login. So I have been connected to MT5. It means I have connected the Ultima Market Cent account to MT5. When you come to your codes at the lower left, you will see all the codes that are available for you. That is the trading instruments that you can trade. You can use this plus sign at the top right hand corner. Use it and search for anyone you want. You see they have silver, they have oil, they have gold and forex and crypto pairs. So for crypto is only one crypto that they have, which is Bitcoin. Okay, so you can click this plus sign to add it to your codes. Go back again. You will see that BTC has been added to your codes. You can also delete anyone you don't want here. So if I want to delete anyone that I don't want, I will use this pencil icon at the top right hand corner. Click on it, then click this dustbin at the top right hand corner. So click that dustbin icon, select the one that you don't want. Anyone you don't want, just click on it and select. Then you will click the dustbin icon again to delete it. When you go back, they are no more available in your codes. They will be taken back to the folder. So if I want to go to the chart of anyone, I will press and hold. Then you go to chart. So it will bring you to the chart when you click on the chart. So if you want to trade, you can make use of these blue buttons, the oval and the rectangular, and you can easily trade on it using these instant buttons. Now the good thing about a Cent account is that as a beginner, you don't have to use a large amount of money to learn how to trade a live account or a real account. Because even with $10, which is equivalent to 1,000 cents, you can make use of it. Per trade, you can even be risking 2 cents, 3 cents, 5 cents. So if you are risking 5 cents per trade, how long do you think it will take you before you blow the 1,000 cents, which is even equivalent to $10? So it is very good for beginners transitioning from a demo account to a real account, because a Cent account is also a real account. You can withdraw any money or profit that you make from it. Okay, so your emotions are involved in it. So it is the best type of account for beginners to learn their strategy very well before they begin to put large amounts of money in it. So one lot on a Cent account is equivalent to 0.01 lot on a standard regular account. Okay, so if I am doing this, you are entering one lot and you are around here, because price is there, you have to set your stop loss above the high, somewhere here just at the tip. You see you'll be risking 317 cents. You can see it at the top left hand corner here, this 317. Now this is equivalent to $3. But if you had entered one lot in a standard regular account, you would be risking about $317. So if I want, I can enter 0.01 lot. So look at what I am risking. The same level, I will be risking 3 cents. 3 cents. This is equivalent to like 0.03 US dollars. So you can see how it is. It's the best for beginners because it gives you the ability to use small amount of money to be trading, and you will learn risk management from there. You will learn your strategy from there. You will learn psychology and emotions, all from this account without having any problem. So if you have questions regarding how to create a Cent account in your Ultima trading account, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.